So this is back to a little quick snippet here. I'm still here in mainland China here, and I want to talk a little bit about another platform for what dropshippers use. It's Woocommerce, and Woocommerce is very similar to Shopify, except that it is based off of the WordPress platform, which is a free platform that you can use to go ahead and to fulfill your dropshipping orders. It also has a lot of plugins as well as Shopify. Yet the difference is that WooCommerce and WordPress are all totally free. You just have to pay for your domain as usual, okay? But that's pretty much it there. WooCommerce has a lot of, it's not as easy to use. It's a little bit more user unfriendly, but there's a lot of key ingredients and elements to it, which is why a lot of people prefer it, because it's cheaper and it's you could do a lot to it, customize it. It's a great little platform as well for drop shipping. So the exact same process, grabbing products that you're going to sell to drop ship from your supplier from China, usually AliExpress, something of that nature, and you're going to sell them on your website using WooCommerce, using the WordPress platform. Anyway, that is it. A quick brief explanation of what that is for those of you that are just learning about this. And hey, we're in China, where most of the products are being drop shipped from anyway around the world. So stay tuned, and thanks for checking us out.